Can I cancel or change payment method on an order before Amazon charges my card?
Hello there. Today we're going to talk about a common question that many Amazon customers have. Can I cancel or change payment method on an order before Amazon charges my card? The short answer is yes, under certain conditions. Let's dive deeper into the steps to do so.
Can I cancel an Amazon order before it's charged?
Yes, you can cancel an Amazon order before it's charged. Amazon typically does not charge your card until your order is processed for shipping. Therefore, if you act quickly, you can cancel your order before it has been processed. 1. Go to your orders. From here, you can view all your recent purchases. 2. Find the order you wish to cancel. Use the search bar or scroll through the list to find the correct order. 3. Click on Cancel Items or Cancel Order. If your order hasn't been processed for shipping, you'll be able to cancel it immediately.
Can I change my payment method on an Amazon order?
Similarly, yes, you can change the payment method of an Amazon order before your card is charged. 1. Go to your orders. Find the order you want to change. 2. Click on Order Details or View Order. This will take you to a more detailed view of the selected order. 3. Click on Change Payment Method. If the order hasn't been processed for shipping, you'll have the option to change your payment method. Simply select a different payment method from your saved options or add a new one.
What if my order is already being processed?
If your order has started processing for shipping, you may not be able to cancel or change the payment method. In this case, you can wait until you receive the item and then return it. Amazon's return policy is generally quite flexible, especially for items fulfilled and shipped by Amazon. So there you have it. Whether you want to cancel an order or change the payment method on Amazon, you can usually do so before your card is charged. Just remember to act quickly. If the order has already started to be processed for shipping, your options may be more limited. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this video was helpful to you.